Hey folks, man, it's your boy Monk, and we back outside, man. What are you doing today, man? You letting somebody with no kicks tell you what to do with your money today? Nah, B. So yeah, we back outside, man, sitting here by the lake. But today we got a nice pair for you today, man. We're gonna be looking at the Air Jordan 1 High OG Off-White UNC version, man. Rest in peace, Virgil. Let's take a look at this box, man. It's kind of interesting. The weirdest thing to me is this flip top right here that gives you a peek at the shoes that are inside. I think that's a pretty cool detail right there. You know, you can get a look without opening the box, but it's the label right here that comes with these, man. So these are reps. This is an episode of What You Rep. So boom, this is what we working with today, man. Look at this. This is a crazy shoe right here, man. Rest in peace, Virgil Abloh. But look at the details, the deconstruction, the many different textures that come with this, man. The signature tag that's attached to these, man. The details are right on point on this thing, man. We got the Air on the side right here. Got the UNC blue bottom sole right here, man, as well as all over this, man, a leather upper. And there's multiple textures going on with this thing, man. We get the canvas tongue right here. That seems to be a little bit of sky blue, man. This raw toe box as well, man, which is just raw canvas, man. You know what I'm saying? I think this same material, this ripstop stuff, is also what you would see on the Jordan 4 Off-White version, man, that wraps around the toe box. They got that same material down here, man, but we also get like a loosely attached swoosh, you know what I'm saying? This tag on the back, man. This shoe is crazy, man. The details on this thing. You also get the signature laces, you know, the say shoe laces on this thing as well, man. So this is a very good replica shoe, man. You get all the things that are supposed to come with this, man, including these blue laces, and there's a pair of orange laces that also comes with it, man. Like, this thing is dead right, dude. So what do you want to do, man? You want to pay $2,300? You want to pay about $150, $160, man. You know what I'm saying? And no one's gonna know the difference, man. You guys are not touching sneakers, bro, because you out here stuck worrying about what somebody else thinks about what you're doing out here, man. You know. But yeah, these are crazy, man. This is a nice pair right here. All the details are, you know, pretty much on point, man. I'll give you a look inside the sole here too, man, so you can see what's going on here. Another signature detail is these rough edges, man. You know what I'm saying? They don't sew them at the edges. They're actually sewn together a little bit further into the shoe, so it leaves you this, you know, this raggedy, you know, edge right here, man, which is a crazy unique look, man. The details are on this, man. Boom, 85. You know, on the inside of this flap. So you gotta open this stuff up and see, man. He's got a lot of details hidden in these things, man. So this is a dope shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I'll get my hands on the Chicago colorway soon, man. Shout out to the homie for letting me you know, show these off to you guys, man. The homie's been ordering a lot of stuff, man. We getting kicks out here, man. Why you sitting around like, dang, man, I gotta flip, I gotta sell, I gotta do this to be able to afford these shoes, man. But yo, we got them, man. We know how to get them, man. Whatever you want, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't let these resellers bend you over. We out of here, man. This is it, man. It's been another episode of What You Rep, and we're gonna be back soon. I'm gonna give you the 360 view, and peace.